Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about a pro tip inside Microsoft Word. The tip is like whenever you want to just make a specific page inside Microsoft Word landscape, how you can do that. Let's get right into it. What you can do, I have three pages, page number 1, page number 2, and page number 3. Now I want to make page number 2 only the landscape because sometimes we have the large tables, something like that cannot be adjusted in landscape. So that's why we want to make the page landscape. How you can do that? Click on page number 1, go to the breaks, go to the next page. Then automatically my cursor will jump into the next page, which is my page number 2. And that I want to make landscape. Next I will go to the orientation and we'll make it landscape. Next, what you can do, again, you go to the next page. I will go to this page, and after that you need to do the portrait. This means right after the page number 3, the rest of the pages are automatically adjusted as portrait, and only page number 2 will become the landscape. Which is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. If it is helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.